Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Ring account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Start by making sure your phone, tablet, or computer is connected to the internet. If you are using a phone or tablet, open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Ring and install the official Ring app if it is not already installed. If you are on a computer, open a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. In the address bar, type ring.com and press enter. On the website, find and click the Sign In button at the top of the page. On the mobile app, open Ring and tap Sign In to continue. When you see the Sign In screen, carefully enter your email address. Double-check the spelling of your email to avoid login errors. Next, enter your Ring account password in the password field. If you want to see what you type, use the eye icon to reveal the password. If you are on a shared device, do not enable Remember Me for security. Tap or click Sign In to submit your login information. If Ring asks for verification, choose to receive a code by text or email. Open your messages or email inbox and find the Ring verification code. Return to the Ring app or Ring website and enter the code exactly as shown. If the code expires, request a new code and try again. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Password on the sign-in screen. Enter your email and follow the reset link or code to create a new password. Create a strong password with letters, numbers, and symbols, then save it safely. After signing in, allow the app permissions it requests, like notifications, if you want alerts. If you have more than one location, choose the correct Ring location or address. Wait a moment while your Ring devices and settings finish syncing. If you cannot sign in, confirm you are using the same email used to create the account. Check that your device date and time are set automatically, because incorrect time can block verification. Try closing and reopening the app, or refresh the website page and sign in again. If problems continue, update the Ring app or clear the browser cache and retry. For account-specific issues, go to Ring Help and contact Ring support from the official site. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.